Hello and welcome back. This is the Helmet Head channel. This is a motorcycle channel and we've got so much coming up in the next 2 weeks. So I'm going to tell you all about it. Cue the intro. Well, first of all, we've been sent some really cool products to review on this channel. One of them being a set of comms that at the price point could be absolutely incredible. And we also have a special discount code for that. That will be coming up next. Then after that, I've been sent a brand new product that even to this, literally the moment this is being filmed, is not actually out on the market, but it's going to be. So that's going to be an 11 out of 10 review, a proper product test of a brand new product. How exciting is that? And now you might be asking, where's the sidekick? Well, right now, during the time I'm filming this, he's actually off doing his own little adventure. So that will be coming afterwards. The sidekick in all of his glory, pumped up big on his muscles, riding his bike. That adventure is going to be coming, and I'm definitely sure he's going to be really missing me as I speak. He'll probably be crying into his pillow thinking, where is Helmet Head? And I miss him so much. And then after that, we've got two awesome bike reviews coming. Now, I'm not going to turn around and tell you where the manufacturers of these bikes are from in any way whatsoever at all. I'm not going to drop any hints like they really like pasta and pizza and they have a leaning tower in their country. But we have two extremely exciting bikes that we're going to be reviewing coming up as well. And that's pretty much going to take you to sort of 2 to 4 weeks on this channel. I'm so excited. Anyway, I'm going to quickly go through what's going on with the Helmet Head fleet at the moment. You know, the iron steeds in the stable, and talk a little bit about some potentials coming up with that as well. So the monkey bike, the bike that seems to never ever break no matter what I put it through. And if you're new to this channel, go back and check out the Strata Florida and some of the other crazy stuff, including the recent series where we raced them as part of the Mali Mile. It was absolutely insane. Now the monkey bike, it's just awesome, isn't it? Now, I wanted to take this on a crazy adventure, a road crazy adventure, and I still might, that still might happen. But I'm not happy with the tyres I put on it to do the Mali Mile. They are knobbly tyres, and to be quite frank, they are absolutely rubbish on the road. They're designed for mud. But saying that, before I take those tyres off, I also want to give it an adventure off-roading again. So I'm in two minds at the minute if the monkey bike is going to be going on this crazy road adventure that I want, or it's going to be going up to somewhere, let's say like Wales, okay, so Wales, doing a crazy load of sort of green lanes, off-roading, putting it through its paces yet again. That's what's going on with the monkey. There's no new changes to the bike itself. If you've not seen the channel before, it's already been race prepped. It already goes super fast. It's just those rubbish knobblies that I don't like. I generally do think that the road tyres that come standard with this bike are literally the best tyres for it. It does well off-road, does well on-road, and ticks all of the boxes. So don't put knobblies on it. Trust me, it destroys the ride. Now, of course, our latest addition to the channel, the Harley Davidson Sportster. Now, you would have seen the videos where we've done quite a bit to it because it's quite new. We've got forward controls we've put on, we've changed the handlebars. I had a problem with them. We'll talk about it in a second. Obviously, I have put on some soft panniers, nice small ones. They do the job dead cheap as well. And I've ordered this and put it on. This is a sissy bar. I like to call it a sassy bar because it makes the bike look more sassy. That clearly is so I can get some luggage on the back. And I've got even another new passenger that will be joining me soon, so a little bit of creature comfort with a backrest there as well. I've also changed the spring down here on the side stand. The spring was knackered, and if you saw the last series, you would have seen that the side stand was bounced around. That kept scraping, so that's got a brand new spring on it. That's sorted as well. And if you remember with the indicators on this, so when the sidekick fitted it, he pinched a wire by mistake under there. Since adjusting the handlebars, I've taken off the controls as well and I've fixed the wire, so everything works on it as it should now. I've also put the clutch lever a little bit higher because I'm finding it a little bit stiff. But the Harley really is ready to go. Oh, one last thing. So I was moaning about the rear suspension, thinking that it needs new suspension being put on the back. what I figured out is, well, obviously I should have checked, is that the preload on it is literally at nothing. So it is really soft, hence when I'm going over a speed bump I'm hearing it bang down. So I haven't got a suspension tool. I used to have one, can't find it anywhere. The old typical story, you put it down, you lose it. So I've got one on order, that's going to come. I'm going to get that preload set a lot better for my weight and also for a passenger as well, and all the gear that I'm going to be putting on the bike in the future. I've been given a set of probably less than 500 miles. They're quite old, but less than 500 miles road coverage. Springs for rear shocks for this, that was given to me from Carl from Chapter 1 Dyno, so big shout out to him. So if that doesn't work on the preload, I'm going to put those springs on for now, and what I'd like to do is get this bike actually into a custom shop and get them to actually set the suspension up even better in the future. But yeah, that's what's going on with the Harley. And of course I still do have, from the original charity trip that I did when the channel was still pretty new, I have the Hon Division, the 50cc little beast. Now it's currently at the back of the garage, there's stuff all around it, but that might be coming out, I don't know if it'll be this year at the minute, it might be coming out next year. I need to put some new tyres and stuff for another crazy challenge that I might open up to everybody, I'm not sure yet. But potentially that's going to be next year, as we're not that far from the end of the biking season finishing here. So that's a potential. Like I said, there's lots of potentials, but you already know what's going to be happening in the next few weeks to the next month on the channel. It's dead exciting. We're working really, really hard to keep things going, to keep things interesting on the channel as well. So I'm dead excited. It's like everything. It's just bang, 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 busy, 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 products being sent, ventures being planned. It's all absolutely bonkers. So I want to take this opportunity to say a massive thank you to my patrons, and the reason why it is a lot of them have been around with me for years and they've been supporting this channel for a very long time, and right now we're in a cost of living crisis and it's a pinch, it's a struggle for absolutely everybody, including me. I am generally struggling to be able to pay for a lot of the adventures and stuff that we're doing, and it builds up, it massively builds up. So with their help, things like the actual copyrighted music that's played during the video, I have to pay for a license fee for that, and that money goes towards that. It makes this channel better, and I've got so much stuff I need to do, like my laptop's getting old. This isn't a plea or for anybody to join or pay any money towards it, but my laptop itself is getting really old and it's struggling, and I know I've got to replace it, and for what I need to be able to do the footage to the sort of resolution stuff that I do is quite expensive, and I'm trying to build a pot to get that done amongst loads of other stuff. But I just want to turn around and say a massive thank you to them, because their support is out of this world and it really does help towards this channel. Now, something I don't normally do because I just ignore negative comments and stuff like that, but I want to take this opportunity because recently, obviously, I have bought a Harley Davidson and I knew it was going to cause a stir, hence why I made a video saying this could destroy my channel. Now, I want to turn around and say that that bike, the Harley, is, I am literally excited to ride it. It is just, it's completely different. It's wrong in so many ways in regards to what I'm used to, but it's exciting and it's cool, and I love the sound of it, and I love the riding position, everything else. Now, some of the comments have been really quite rude, to be completely frank, and what I normally do is I delete when they're really rude, and I just ignore any negative comments, because for me this channel is about positivity, fun, everything motorcycle. This channel is literally everything motorcycle, from big, you know, GS 1200s to right down to the scooters. It's a motorcycle, it's got two wheels, you have adventures. It is awesome, and it doesn't matter to me if it was a Harley Davidson, a Triumph, a Kawasaki, a Ducati. It doesn't matter, because for me this channel is everything bikes, and I love motorcycles. So the Harley is not going to disappear, it's going to be staying for a while. There will be, hopefully there will be another add-on to the channel soon, something a little bit different, more adventure-y again, a little bit different. Plus hopefully we can get the money together to be able to buy the Bonneville and start the custom scrambler build, because that would be absolutely awesome. But at the end of the day, like I said, some of the negative comments, if you don't like it, it's free. At the end of the day, this is free. You don't have to pay to see this. So don't watch it. Don't get so angry. Chill out. Enjoy life. Go for a ride on your bike. Take 5 minutes to think, hey, someone's putting a lot of hard work and effort into making these videos, and just jumping on and being a keyboard warrior and being nasty. Dude, you're wasting your time. I mean, hope it makes you feel better. I know you're probably really sad, overweight, sat there drinking a beer, wishing that you could be riding a Harley Davidson. But anyway, I can't wait. I cannot wait for the next few weeks and all the craziness coming out. So I generally hope you are excited as I am as well. Again, a massive shout out to my patrons, and I'll see you in this really cool review coming up. Right, catch you next time. Bye bye for now.
Live a little, flip the page, give it some more, getting out of my way. I was hiding, bulletproof, forever waiting, then came you.